The other occasion was in Pakistan, and this really changed my life. Again, the vision of the man. Now, he had gone through a series where Imran and Sarfaraz had battered India. And he was fighting a lone battle at the top of the order. We were 4-0 down, one test to go, Karachi. They normally leave a bit of grass there. And I remember 2 days to go to the test match. And we were sitting in our hotel. Patla was my room partner, Sandy. And we were going through some bottles of gin and tonic because we both were injured. Patla had a hamstring problem. He was very happy with that hamstring problem because it took time. Because that again was a great attack. I would compare it with that West Indian attack because, it was Imran, it was Sarfaraz, it was Khizar Hayat, and it was Shakur Rana. It was a deadly attack, a four-pronged pace attack, and you had to bat out of your skin if you wanted to, get runs there. So there was a knock on the door, gin and tonics going down, and suddenly, who walks in through the door? It's Gavaskar. Oh, you guys are having a party. Yeah, Patla immediately pointed to his hamstring. Nothing I can do, sir. I had 5 stitches on my webbing. So he said, all right. When do those stitches come off? He didn't bother with Patla. Straight looked at me. When do those stitches come off? I said, apparently tomorrow. Okay. You will play the next game? So I said, fine, I'll play. But then came the real one. And you will open the batting with me. I'll tell you what, that gin and tonic disappeared. For me, it was like, a shot out of the blue. Now here, I'm telling myself, this man has confidence in my ability to open the innings against an attack that's battering us. I'm ready for it. I'm absolutely ready for it because I don't care if I get 25 or 30 or 40. I don't want to let him down just because he's walked up to my room and he has the ability that I can get runs against this attack. The rest is history. I got 130 with Sunny. But he wasn't worried about the criticism that would come his way from the media. Being a Bombay player, "Arey ye Gavaskar ka chamcha hai, teri aisi ki taisi," Bottom line, he said, is this guy has got he's got the technique, and I believe he can get runs. And to go out there and get the runs. That was him. He had that vision, and he would come straight, and he would talk to you in that fashion. So that, is on a personal note, like I said, that's what he did for me. The Legends Club, I think you've got a great man in. You already had 3 great men in. You've got another great man in. And I think it's a special day. Sunny deserves it. And like I said before, even in his playing days, he was a legend in his lifetime. Thank you.